2-year channel bottom at 261.55 this week that we settled below 2 weeks ago and did indicate at the time, and still does, likely bearish continuation down into the mid 150s, low 160s, 154.50 to 160.60. I still think this area is in reach over the next 1 to 2 months and can absorb selling through the rest of the year, holding below 261.55. For the day itself, there is the rising channel top at 260.26 that precedes 261.55, that long-term channel bottom. This is your sellable zone of resistance. Upside today, I have 250.80 as an intraday pivot point. It can contain intraday highs, but if we push through or open above 250.80, we should see 260.26 to 261.55 today. With respect to this long-term channel bottom, we could top out at 261.55 through the month of April into May, and below which I don't see a compelling reason to be long Tesla right now. If we hold below 261.55, we could test 261.55, certainly today perhaps, above 250.80, but once tested, fall back by the end of May perhaps into the mid 150s, low 160s, where that trade would complete and the market can sort of consolidate after that. Following a test of the mid 150s, low 160s, I would expect a long period of consolidation to play out into the third, fourth quarter rather than a V-shaped rally out of here. This sort of parabolic move, this church steeple rally, oftentimes has a lot to say about longer term consequences. While the 150s, 160s is a solid zone to buy into, I do see we could rally back into the upper 200s, but then fall away again and just kind of fill that area out for months to come, possibly through the rest of the year. That is the long-term big picture. If we close today above 261.55, we could, by Friday's close, rally up to 298.25. That would be a high volatility rally. That'd be a 3 to 5 day swing trade. The downside today, 230.94 in reach perhaps today, below 250.80. It can contain today's lows. If we break 230.94, we can today test this 213.31 area. Check us out at wickedstocks.com. You get a 5-day free trial up front. You also get weekly Apple stock, daily Triple Q, daily SPY, weekly S&P 500, weekly NASDAQ 100 analysis, and 2 stock picks every week. You can see that all by going to wickedstocks.com.